Today we're going to take a look at unit number 243, located in the Sierra West building, and this property is located at 6868 Sierra Morena Blvd Southwest. We're going into the unit. Again, this is a 2-bedroom property located on the 2nd floor. We're going to take a virtual tour. This is the front closet as we enter in. It's a good size. We also have, just to the right of it, we have the washer and dryer, and you can have lots of storage in this particular side room. So you have the washer and dryer, and there's also some cabinets above the washer and dryer. You can put your laundry soap inside of it. The washer and dryer is on a pedestal so that you can store your towels or whatever you want inside of the pedestal. And this is the first room that we're going to take a look at. That's the closet here. It's got glass French doors that you can close for privacy, and it comes along with a fan as well. And we're going to take a look at the main bathroom. It is a bathtub this time, as opposed to a stand-up shower. So you can have a tub if somebody feels like having a tub, then you have that opportunity. It's got nice deep sinks and lots of cabinets for all your toiletries. It's a well-managed property, like I said before, as well as the clients have taken an awesome care of the unit. So that is the second bathroom. And to the left of that, we're going to take a look at the kitchen. It's actually quite a large kitchen with lots of pots and pan drawers. You can see that got room for your microwave and a nice good sized fridge, flat top stove, lots of countertops for baking, and while you're prepping food and you have your company, you can actually see out and see everyone. It's got this neat little built-in desk here, so you can plug in your computer, laptop, or if you're watching TV, or maybe you're just looking up on YouTube of how to make a recipe. There's also cabinets above that as well. And it does come with dishwasher. You can see the dishwasher there, and there's a pots and pan drawer, so lots of storage located in this particular unit. have a dining room space. And you can see from this table, it's actually a large table, so you can have lots of family member over when we are able to have our family members over again. Here is the gas fireplace. And this is the living room with laminate flooring throughout. There's the fireplace, so you can place quite a few large pieces of furniture in. You are looking at the kitchen from the living room area. And up above the fireplace, you can see you have a built-in air conditioning unit. So if it does get warm in the unit, then you can turn on the air condition and cool things off. And when it gets cold like it is outside today, you can turn on the air fireplace and warm things. Off of the living room, we've got a covered balcony here, and right from this covered balcony you can see that you can have a beautiful view of the mountains. Take a look at the master bedroom. It's again has laminate flooring. It does have a rather beautiful view as well. And here you can see you can fit a decent sized bed, a king size bed in here, and room for lots more pieces of furniture. This is the ensuite. You can see the ensuite here. This nice, well-kept property, well loved by the owners. So this is a stand-in shower. There's got a seat in there so that if you want to just sit down for your shower, you can do that. Or if somebody has wheelchair accessible, it's nice for that as well. So this is the ensuite in the master bedroom. It has a walk-in closet, which we'll take a look at. So that is the walk-in closet. It has some storage as well up top, so you can hang your organizers, you can hang your clothing, and then below it has some shelving. You could put your shoes on there, or perhaps maybe even some sweaters. And the pièce de résistance from the bedroom, you can take a look at the mountains outside, as well as the gazebo, and you've got 2 windows that open on the side so that you can get fresh air that comes through. It's a nice sized master bedroom. Again, like I said, it can fit a king size bed in it. This property is well managed, well taken care of, and all of the amenities that come with the property. is absolutely amazing. You really don't need to leave the building unless you want to go out for a walk and get fresh air, but you really don't need to leave the building. There's swimming in here. There is entertainment room. They meet after COVID's over, and before COVID, they would meet monthly for social gatherings as well. And they've got a wood shop that comes with parking as well, and a storage downstairs. And they've got a wash bay where you can wash your cars. There's a single, and then there's also a double wash bay, and we'll take a look at those again. Again, this is just unit number 243. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this absolutely immaculate unit. If you would like any more information in regards to this unit, please do not hesitate to give me a call. My name is Barb Deshotel with CIR Realty at 403-667-9869 on my cell phone. Or you can go to my website at barbsellscalgary.com. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.